guys, welcome to this video. We have just gotten back from 2 trips back to back, so the house is a complete bomb and I'm going to spend the next couple of days reordering the house, doing washing. I have a full to-do list that I want to get done, so I thought I might as well vlog it and share with you this little post travel reset video for you guys. I have a big to-do list, so I want to do washing obviously because we've been away for like almost 2 weeks and we didn't really get to wash from the first trip. So we went to Brisbane and then as soon as we got home we headed down to Phillip Island. Yeah, we have literally washing from both those trips that I want to get done. We have no food in the house, so I'd love to go grocery shopping. We need to unpack our suitcases from both trips, and also, side note, traveling with a baby is like next level. So I have a 3-month-old and I never knew like how much you actually have to bring for a baby, and so yeah, it's going to be really difficult to pack light when we do travel these days because there's just so much stuff that she needs. So yeah, we need to like unpack all that stuff. I would love to get my car washed and cleaned because when we went to Phillip Island it was like a 2-hour, one of the days was like a 5-hour road trip, which you will learn about in the last video. But when you're road tripping in your car, you end up just like bringing snacks with you and drinks, and the car's just full of snacks and drinks and it just needs to be cleaned out. I'd love to get my eyebrows done, and then in terms of the house, I want to tidy like every single room. So let's see how we go. So just mind all the rubbish behind me. We're going to get to that later, but the first thing on the agenda I think I need to do is go grocery shopping because as I said, we have no food and it's a Friday today, so I feel like if we go grocery shopping tomorrow is a Saturday and Sunday, the shops are just completely busy. I've been using this $10 meal recipe book and we have actually gone through the whole book and basically cooked every single meal, and what I love about it is that it actually sectioned out into 10 weeks and each week has like a meal plan for you. So it tells you like in this week you're going to be cooking spicy pork ramen, green carbonara, spinach and potato curry, and then it also gives you a shopping list. You literally don't need to think about what you're gonna make for the week. I literally just buy what's on the shopping list and then just go through the book, and it just saves me so much time. I would highly recommend this book. As I said, it is like $10 meals, so they are meant to be $10 meals. To be honest, because of the rising cost in living and stuff, they're not really $10 meals, but they're definitely like cheaper alternatives to meals, and they're actually delicious. Like the amount of compliments I've had from people who I've cooked for from this book. I'll link it down below. I think they sell it, I think it's sold on Amazon, I'm not sure, but I just got it from my local like Kmart. Basically gonna take a photo of this and then write a grocery list of like other necessities that we need. Like we need like milk and bread. Going in a car wash low-key freaks me out every time. Like all those things coming at you and you're like stuck in this car. Does anyone else relate? It's kind of like a bit scary but low-key fun at the same time. It's like going on a ride. Anyways, I'm at the shops now and I'm gonna go get the groceries. So I'm home from the shops now. Obviously I want to do some stuff around the house and clean the house up a bit, but it's hard with baby, so I'm going to attempt the carrier. Sometimes she likes the carrier, sometimes she doesn't like the carrier. Oh, are you going to like the carrier this time? This is the carrier by Portier. It's really great. Are you ready to go in the carrier? Do you like the carrier sometimes? Where's the foot? There's the foot. Okay, she does not like the carrier. Okay. Okay, groceries are put away, kitchen is clean. Now is to deal with the washing and the suitcases. Let's just have a moment. So this is the suitcase. I've kind of started making piles already of like colors and whites and stuff, but we need some serious help with this, so let's do that. Like the vinyl.
Your videos about kelp.
Yeah. Do a pile of two, so these. Like all of these. Whatever it's called. So Brayden has made us a yummy dinner. Looks so good.
Oh yeah, I made it.
Yeah, good job.
All of it.
All of it.
Wow.
All I did was peel some carrots.
Oh no, I didn't make all of it. Damn it. You helped me.
I peeled some stuff, but so yummy. Kiani's in her Squid Game outfit, we call it, because it's got all the shapes in it, and she looks so cute in it. Let me know if you guys have watched the last episode of Squid Game. Oh, wild. I'm going to continue the vlog till tomorrow because there's still so much more I need to do.
Was it like hoping I get it all done today vlog, but actually it's going to be more than today vlog?
Yeah. I'm trying this new crunchy nut. It's a salted caramel flavour. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I didn't really get done everything that I wanted to yesterday, but I did get so much done. I did so many loads of washing, it was crazy. You okay, beautiful? On the agenda today, I want to do like a meal prep so that it sets us up for the week. I want to put away all like the suitcases and the stuff that I have. I have this pile that's for the garage, but for some reason it is hard to take like 4 steps and put them away into the garage. I don't know why. I need to fold all the clothes that we washed yesterday. We did like 4 loads. There's so much clothes, and I want to unpack Kiani's clothes. So I definitely overpacked for Kiani because I just didn't know how much a baby needs, and sometimes they like go through like 3 outfits a day. Yeah. And then sometimes they just are in the one. So there's a bunch of clothes that like weren't touched, and I'm just gonna put away. I just poured all of the garlic powder in. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's pop that back in there. Do I just make it really garlicky, or do I just start again?
Oh. Yeah, it's hard, isn't it?
It's not salvageable, hey? Take 2.
Don't throw this away though. Keep this as a... You can season up potatoes and shit, you know?
Yeah. It was so funny because I was like trying to do it so like with all the angles and like aesthetic on the camera, and then
Yeah.
focusing too much on that. Just save that for another time. When we want a really garlicky. Take two. So productive morning so far. I've been able to unpack Kiani's clothes and also do the meal prep, which is so good. Kiani's asleep and she has been asleep for 57 minutes, and it's usually around this time that she wakes up. So I'm not gonna start like a new task. I'm gonna like have something to eat and like just chill for a bit. There's a huge mountain of clothes that is just staring at me right now that I'm kind of putting off, but needs to be done eventually. So, the meal prep that I made was a slow cooked beef, and we have recently been really into slow cooked meals because it's so easy to just chuck it all in there and it just like cooks throughout the day, and the meat is usually so soft and tender and yummy. And if you do like a big bunch of this, then you don't really have to think about meals. So what we've been doing is we've been having this as lunch, just so that we're both getting like enough protein throughout the day, because something with my like postpartum journey, I know that this isn't really a like postpartum video or anything like that, but my baby's 3 months, and something with my postpartum journey is that I'm not necessarily like wanting to lose weight or anything like that, but something that I'm conscious of is getting enough water and getting enough protein, and just I'm gonna let my body kind of do what it needs to because it's still healing and everything. So yeah, that is the plan. I'm just staring at this mountain of clothes and I don't want to do it. I really don't want to do it. Might have to like reward myself with chocolate or something if I do it. Yeah, I'm gonna make something really simple for lunch. I might just have like tuna sandwich or something like that. I feel like that would be really yummy with cheese. Yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, so it's currently 8 p.m. I haven't done anything since we last spoke. I've just been looking after this gorgeous one. We had dinner, we had leftovers from last night, and now Braden and I are going to tackle the big pile of clothes. Is that right? And I did finish editing the vlog today, and that is exporting right now. So it's not like today's been a complete flop, but I've just been doing other things and looking after this gorgeous one. So this is the big amount of laundry that we've got to get through. I'm pretty sure there's like some more even in the dryer, but let's just get through this first. Yeah, you can see why I've been putting it off all day. I love this time of year because watermelon, mangoes, all the yummy summer fruits are on sale. Glad we got through all those clothes. That is so awesome. And I was hoping to take all the stuff to the garage, but I'm gonna let Braden do that because some of it is a bit heavy and I'm just gonna let him do it. The slow cooker has 14 minutes left, so that's almost done. My baby's in bed sleeping, eating some watermelon. It's great. I'm really glad I like pushed myself to do this little post-travel like reset, because to be honest, realistically, I probably would have still had my suitcase packed. It usually like sits there for like a week. I'm not really good at unpacking it straight away after a trip. I worked as a flight attendant, so like my suitcase was like always packed and I would never really like unpack it. I'll just take like a few things out and put a few new things back in and stuff like that. So I never would really unpack the whole thing. So yeah, it's a new kind of situation that I've got to kind of start getting used to. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys have any travels planned, or I'd love to hear it. Hopefully this gave you some little inspo for a little reset. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.